Okay, this is Marcel of Marcel on Tech, and I am super excited for this quick video about a real life unboxing. I'm very excited. I love this device. So I've been waiting for quite some time for Honor to finally release the V5. And this is now available in Europe, and I would highly recommend that you order from them directly because the bundles they put in are ridiculous. I'm going to do this very quickly, and I'm not sponsored in any way. I really wish I was, but I have no affiliation with them whatsoever other than loving their products. And this all comes bundled in, and I managed to get a discount of over 380 euros just because that's what they have on offer at the moment because of early doors. So let's see what's in the box. Oh man, check it out. We've got MagSafe magnetic black case. Very cool, looks great. Very happy with that. Definitely wanted a magnetic case, so I was very pleased to see that. They throw in a fitness band or a watch. It's literally called the Honor Choice watch. So of course it's not going to be their premium one, but what a gift to actually get because you can always gift it to somebody else. Then I've got the Honor cell phone selfie light. Look at that. That again magnetizes to the phone and you can actually use it as a remote trigger to use the phone. I love that. I've never seen that before. Then inside we've got the earbuds. These are earbud clips, so they actually go over the ears. They're not in the ears, they are over the ears. So these are brilliant. I'm very keen to try these out because I've been using a few. I've never used the Honor ones. So again, bundled in the box. Then we have, supercharger. So they don't normally come in the box anymore, which is very sad, but you get a supercharger in the box, maximum 66 watt cabled. And as we know, this bad boy can charge cabled very fast, 50 watts wireless, 66 watts wired. Then we get, oh nice, the Magic Pen, because we know that this, unlike the Samsung Fold 7, is compatible with a stylus. What a bonus. That's all included. Then I've got active noise cancelling headphones. They've actually sent a massive box of noise cancelling headphones. I'm like a kid in a playground. It is unbelievable that they've included these items. They're absolutely awesome. And then of course, the main event, the V5. Check out the box. Really nice. I will be going through each and every one of these items. I'm very excited about it, as you can probably tell. And I'll be making my video very soon about all of these products. So do let me know if there's something in particular you want to know about, but otherwise I cannot recommend enough for you to order through the honor.es or wherever you are in the world and use their bundle options, because all of this has come as a gift from them. I'm not affiliated. There is no benefit to me other than me sharing with you exactly how to get the best deal, and the price I paid, 1619. So that is cheaper than any Fold 7. And you're going to get all of these extra products as well. It is just amazing. Go get it. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from it, and look out for all these upcoming videos. See you soon. Bye for now.